Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and today we are going to solve a DSA problem, kth largest element in the array. So let me explain the problem first. So we have given an array. In the array we need to find out the kth largest element in the array. So let discuss the example 1. So here one array is given one where the array element is 3 2 1 5 6 4, and we need to find out the second largest element. So if you see in this array, the largest element is the 6, right, and the second largest is the fifth, so it is the output is fifth. Similarly, if you see the example number 2, here we have given an long array and k is equal to 4, right. So if you observe here, the fourth largest element in this array is 4, right. So first largest is 6, second largest is 5, third largest is again 5, and the fourth one is 4. Okay. Before solving this problem, let me discuss the solution of this problem first. So how we are going to approach this problem. The challenge is here that you must solve this problem is O and time complexity. Okay, so let me go to the Microsoft whiteboard. So let me take example number 1 here. Okay, so here one array is given and k is equal to 2, so the output is coming 5. So how we can solve this? The simplest approach is that we can solve this problem using the sorting. Okay, so this is an function is given where the input is given as as an array. First parameter is the input and second parameter is the k, which tells which number of largest element you need to find out. So what we are doing here, we nums dot order by descending. So what it will do, it will sort the array into the descending order. Okay, and then we can just find out the uh, kth element, like we can skip the first k minus 1 element and take the next element and find out the first. This way we can find out the solution. So I have already ran it's giving me solution very like my results are fine here. It is coming correctly. Now let me talk about the complexity of this solution here. So we are actually doing a sorting here, order by descending, right. So the complexity of this is n log n. If but we need to solve this problem in I mean O of n, we have to solve it, right. So to solve this problem, let me solve this problem with using the heap. So there is one more approach. We can solve this problem using heap. So in C sharp we can implement heap using the priority queue. Okay, priority queue is another data structure where you can create a min heap. So what it expect actually, in the you can create a priority key like a list. So first element in this priority key will be the element which you want to pass out, and second value is actually the priority you need to pass. You can go to the documentation and read what is the priority queue, right. So what we are doing here, first we are iterating the nums, right. Here this is the array, right. So we are just iterating to the array and we are creating a priority queue, and we are inserting the element. So in the key we are inserting the element, and value we are also inserting the element. So basically value is the priority and key is the element. So in the key it's a array element and the value it's a priority. So this way we have created the min heap. Now we are iterating, we have written one while loop where we are taking out the element from the heap. So it will take out the element from the heap one by one. Okay, so first minimum element will be taken out. So first one will be taken out, then 2, then uh, 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. So this way this is the since it's a min heap, so it will element will be taken out in a like ascending order. So here we have written one condition that if num length minus k is equal to j, it means we are just finding out the kth largest elements. Once we get it, we are just returning the item So this way we are just solve the problem. So if you can see this periodic queue is complexity of inserting an element and taking out an element is log n, and but since we are iterating to the one for loop and one while loop, so its complexity become OF1. So this way we can solve the problem. It's very easy. And let me just I already submitted this, so let me just submit it again in lead code. Yeah, so solution is accepted and all the test cases are passed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.